I'm just going to show you how to cut the reverse variegation out of a Luma apiculata glandmead gold. So this happens when the plant tries to revert back to green. As you can see here, this little branch has started to do it. This has also happened on a larger plant we have, which is a stock plant, so I'll just show you that one as well. So it's super simple, you just cut it back to where it's shot, so literally just there, just cut it out, and that will mean that the plant should then just know that it wants to grow the variegated again, and just go back to how you want it. And there's another little bit here as well that you could cut out, and it will just mean that it should all then just stay variegated. Hello, I'm just going to show you how bad the reverse variegation is on this Luma. So as you can see, this is what it's supposed to be like. This is quite an old plant, so it is looking a little bit sad, but as you can see, this is the variegated leaves, and it's reverted back, so it's gone back to green. So this is quite bad, we've left it a little bit too long, but what you could do is get a saw and saw it back to the trunk. And the new shoot should then start to be variegated again. And yeah, so if this was in your garden, you'd just cut back to the trunk, and then hopefully the variegation will come back through.